Here's a walk-around video on this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan VMI NorthStar. Do an exterior walk-around pass. Notate any items that I find. It's got good tires all the way around. Got a little scrape here underneath the door. There's a little door ding there. And then another one right there. Overall, vehicle's in good shape. It's that nice red color that Dodge makes a few of. A little scrape there. Chrome plastic is broken here. Got a little nick there. Okay, so the way this works is with the vehicle unlocked, we can click twice on this door button here, and that's going to activate the door open and ramp sequence. So once the door is fully opened and the ramp comes out, you can enter the vehicle here. And then you've got a bench seat of 3 seats across the back here. They remove the second row seats here, that way you have a full space for a wheelchair user. The lockdown systems here are throughout the floor. Those 2 front seats do come out, so it is driver capable if you wanted it to be. Otherwise, it's set up for someone to drive and then someone in the wheelchair to ride. You've got 3-zone, 3-zone climate control for left and right and rear. You've got a CD player, AM/FM radio. You've got your cruise control on the steering wheel. And then up here you have power liftgate and power doors on either side. You can either hit that right one there, you can hit this button here, or to close everything up, you can actually press this button here twice again. That's going to retract the ramp. And then that door is going to close once it's cleared to do so. This is a fully integrated system, meaning you just click the button once, or twice on this particular Dodge, and then it activates the sequence. You don't have to press and hold a fob or anything. And the tailgate here, you can either do manually, or there is a tailgate button here. So that is power. So if you're short like me, you don't have to reach up and pull it down. You can actually hit the button. There's a button inside there as well. You've got the wheelchair accessible straps here. And then this seat just folds down. It doesn't fold like flat or anything into back here, because this is where they put the spare tire and the computer. Now, let's go ahead and close that. It's going to beep at you 3 times, and it's going to close. And then we can open up the power sliding door here. And then what's nice about this in-floor is there's no ramp that sits next to the door there, so it'll be quieter. You don't have to worry about it rattling next to the door. And you've got your ramp on and off switch there, and then you'll switch. So overall, vehicle's in good shape.